Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you two very simple and easy Christmas tree DIYs. So let's get started. For the first ornament or first decoration, you're gonna need some felt. I already had these on hand, but you can purchase felt at a dollar store or Joann's or any other place. I am using the black and the white one. I cut out 5 little circles out of the black one, and I cut out square shaped out of the white one, and 5 of each size of the square, each smaller than the other. Now for this project you can use a self-adhesive felt like I'm using over here. That's what I had on hand. You can use a glue gun to attach them to each other, or you can use a needle and a thread. Starting with the biggest set of squares, I am laying them on the top of each other, actually gluing them on the top of each other, but I'm making sure that the corners don't match, so I'm putting them offset. So that way, that's gonna create an illusion of a Christmas tree, or actually of branches of that little Christmas tree. And I'm repeating all this, adding the smaller and smaller squares until I get to the smallest one on top. I'm making a mini Christmas tree, but if you'd like to make a little bit bigger, you can definitely cut out more squares for your Christmas tree. When my mini Christmas tree is done, I am using the black circles that I cut out, and I'm layering them on the top of each other. That way I am creating the stem or the base of the Christmas tree, and then gluing it on the bottom of my white part of the Christmas tree. Next thing I'm doing is I am putting a little dab of a hot glue, and I am putting my twine on the top of it. And then I'm adding embellishment. I had this little star. You can add anything you want, any pearl, or you can just leave it the way it is. I'm also attaching the twine to the back of the star, and that's it. That completes my mini Christmas tree ornament. I really think it turned out so cute. It adds a little warmth to my Christmas tree, and I think it looks perfect, and it's so easy to make. The next DIY that I'm gonna be making is this beautiful cone-shaped Christmas tree, and the supplies that I'm using are styrofoam cone from a Dollar Tree and a jute twine from Dollar Tree, as well as my glue gun. Now for embellishment, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. The first thing I'm doing is just opening up the styrofoam, and then I'm going to be gluing the jute twine to my cone. Now you have to be careful because styrofoam is melting under the glue that you're putting on, so I was just putting a little dabs here and there to make sure the jute stays in place, but I was actually just putting the jute pretty tightly, so it didn't need too much glue anyway. After covering up the whole cone with jute, the top and the bottom, I am using the Mod Podge just on the top. I am putting a little bit with a sponge, and I'm going to be using this white glitter to create a snow effect on the top of the Christmas tree. I think this gives this Christmas tree such a pop, and it makes it that much special. that little glitter, little shiny top. It makes it really, really cute. But for me, this looked pretty plain, so I decided to add something to the front of this Christmas tree. So I bought these signs from a Target dollar spot for $3. There is 2 of each, and I'm gonna be using the words Merry and Christmas. They're self-adhesive, so I didn't want to use any additional glue to it. You could always attach with a glue gun if you'd like to be more secure. And the word Christmas was just a little plain, so I decided to distress it with a little bit of white paint, and then I glued that there, and that was it. It was super simple, but it looks so cute. I really like the way these two turned out. They were super simple to make, as you saw, and I hope you liked them. And if you did, I would like for you to give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And also, just tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.